Hey guys, welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Hi, so I'm back again guys with another reaction video to the group The Boys, and this is a music video to this song The Stealer. So I don't think I've ever reacted to this one, so I'm curious to see how this one is going to go. Let's count behind me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. There's 11 men behind me. Leave me for that one with the scissors. 11. So let's get started. To the Steelers. Oh. Oh, I like him. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Okay. Yes. Oh, come on. I'm a star. Yes. Yes. Dum. Okay. Oh. Oh, yes, that's the shot. Yeah. Who's that red? The one with the blue hair. I'm a star. Oh, I like that one. Nice shot. That was a nice shot. Oh, that was nice. Damn, they look so good. Oh. Come on, floor performance. Floor performance, plus. He better walk. That was a very good music video. The Steelers by the Boys. That was a very good fucking music video. That was a very good music video. They did that. They did that. Oh, that was a very good music video. They did the hell out of that. This was so good. I like their dancing choreos. I think I love their dancing style with the boys. I think this is a group that always, they know to give you some foot performances. This was very good. This was the boys. This was a music video to the song The Stealer. As you guys can see, it was everything. Thanks to the ones who recommend and react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I wait to win as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.